Okay, so this is if you don't have access to a balloon or anything like that, this is a thing that you can use to get into a water fight without any balloons. So you can just, this is what you can use. I'll just show you how to fold it. Very, very simple. Someone taught me this years and years ago. And so you just gotta make sure you crease this very, you can use a ruler to tear this, but if you don't have a ruler, just make sure this crease is very, very creased, and then it'll tear easier. So just, there you go. So we'll just tear that. Hopefully it tears it. There we go. So that's tearing the way I want it to tear, thankfully. No ruler needed. Okay, so now what you do is, you've got that center line, then you make another center line. So we've got two center lines. So what you do is you push that in and make a triangle out of it, like that. And just squash that down, just flatten it out, and then fold that over to make a, it's all about triangles, this, to make another triangle. Then fold this over to make another triangle, and then turn it over, make another triangle, make another triangle, and then what you do is, believe it or not, make another triangle, and then, yep, you guessed it, and the other side, make another, what is it, triangle. Okay, so then you take that now, that sort of shape. They should have a hole on one side, which is there. That'll come in handy shortly. What you do is you fold the edge of this triangle and you tuck it in. You tuck it in there. You just press it down. Then you take this edge and tuck it into that triangle. There's a little flap that it goes into. You can see it's tucked into that little flap there. And then just do the same on the other side. And then do that. And that. Okay, so there we go. So what you do is, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick my hands in there just to hold it. And if you look carefully, there's a hole there, just there. You can blow it up basically. This will now inflate. Okay, so that is now an inflated box, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so the next thing is to just fill it with water. It's definitely more of a drop from a height than throw any sort of distance kind of thing. So best thing to do is fill it there, and then what you do is you just 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so if you were to drop that from a height, yeah, it would be a good water balloon.